Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. I have this question here. Find the zeros of the polynomial fx equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 if it is given that sum of its two zeros is 3. Now we are given that sum of two zeros of f of x is 3. So let two zeros be a and b. Therefore, a plus b equal to 3 given. So, we can write b equal to 3 minus a. Therefore, a and 3 minus a are two zeros of f of x. Therefore, x minus a and x minus 3 plus a are two factors of f of x by factor theorem. Therefore, we can say x minus a multiplied by x minus 3 plus a is a factor of f of x. So let's see x square. So minus ax plus ax will cancel out. So we are left with minus 3x. So minus 3x and minus 3 minus a is plus 3a and minus a plus a is minus a square. So plus 3a minus a square is a factor of f of x. Therefore, we can say quotient of fx divided by x square minus 3x plus 3a minus a square is third factor. Now from this third factor we can find third root, that is third zero of the given polynomial. Also remainder of this division will be 0. Therefore, if we equate the remainder we get after performing this division to 0, we'll get the values of a and b. So let's perform this division, that is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 divided by x square minus 3x plus 3a minus a square. So we have x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 divided by x square minus 3x plus 3a minus a square. So to cancel out leading term, that is x cube, we'll have to multiply divisor by x. So we have minus x cube minus 3x square then that will be 3a minus a square x. So as a result these two will be cancelled out. Minus 6x square plus 3x square will be minus 3x square plus we have 11 minus 3a plus a square into x minus 6 will come down here. So now to remove the term x square term, we'll have to multiply the divisor by minus 3. So we have minus 3x square plus 9x and minus 9a plus 3a square. So now we have eliminated x square term and we have 11 minus 3a plus a square minus 9x and then minus 6 plus 9a minus 3a square. Now since degree of remainder is smaller than degree of divisor, we cannot divide it further. So this is the final remainder and this is the final quotient. So we have, let's see, quotient equal to third factor equal to x minus 3. Therefore, third 0 of f of x is equal to x minus 3 equal to 0, which gives us x equal to 3 as third 0. Now we have this as one of the zeros. Now to get other two zeros, we'll need to equate remainder to 0. So coefficient of x equal to constant term equal to 0 for remainder equal to 0. So to get this, we'll equate 11 minus 3a plus a square minus 9 equal to 0. So 11 minus 9 is 2. So we'll do this 2 minus 3a plus a square equal to 0. Also minus 6 plus 9a minus 3a square equal to 0. But both of these equations give rise to a square minus 3a plus 2 equal to 0. So we'll solve this one. So we have a square minus 2a minus a plus 2 equal to 0. So we have a minus 2 and a minus 1 as factors. Therefore what we can say is, therefore we can say a is equal to 2 or a is equal to 1. Now in case a is equal to 2, we get b equal to 3 minus a equal to 1, and in case a is equal to 1, we get b equal to 3 minus a, so b equal to 2. So we get a equal to 2, b equal to 1, and third 0 equal to 3, x equal to 3, or else we get a equal to 1, b equal to 2, and third 0, that is x equal to 3. So in any case we have 3 zeros. In both cases required 3 zeros of f of x are 1, 2 and 3. So let's look at the options. Answer is option C, 1, 2 and 3.